Get ready to have your perception of the cosmos completely transformed. This is gonna blow your mind, because we're about to embark on a journey to explore some of the strangest and most bizarre planets in the universe. Forget everything you thought you knew about planetary formation and composition, because what we're about to uncover will challenge your understanding of what's possible in the vast expanse of space. We're talking about worlds so alien, so extreme, that they seem to defy the very laws of physics. Prepare yourself for a cosmic roller coaster ride through the most mind-bending planetary phenomena imaginable. First, let's consider the lonely wanderers of the galaxy. There are planets wandering alone without a star, adrift in the inky blackness of interstellar space. These celestial nomads are known as rogue planets, and their existence poses some fascinating questions about planetary formation and the dynamics of galactic environments. Imagine a world perpetually shrouded in darkness, forever separated from the warmth and light of a parent star. These planets are truly isolated, facing a frigid existence in the cosmic void. Next, we'll turn up the heat and venture into the realm of fiery worlds covered in lava. Planets where the surface is a molten inferno, a landscape of flowing rock and volcanic eruptions. These are the lava planets. Hellish landscapes where temperatures soar to unimaginable extremes. The very ground beneath your feet would be liquid fire and the air would be thick with noxious fumes. These planets offer a glimpse into the raw, untamed power of planetary geology, a testament to the extreme conditions that can exist in the universe. And finally, we'll delve into the realm of the truly extraordinary, and explore planets that might be giant diamonds. Imagine a world composed almost entirely of crystallized carbon, a massive gemstone floating in the void. These diamond planets represent the ultimate in cosmic extravagance, a testament to the bizarre and unexpected forms that matter can take under extreme conditions. They are a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and that even the most outlandish ideas might actually be reality. So, buckle up and prepare for an unforgettable journey as we explore these cosmic oddities, starting with rogue planets, the orphans of the galaxy. These celestial bodies have been ejected from their star systems or formed independently in the vast emptiness of space. Their existence challenges our understanding of planetary formation and the stability of star systems. These planets are the ultimate space loners, wandering through the galaxy without the gravitational embrace of a star. They are adrift in the cosmic sea, forever separated from the warmth and light that sustains life as we know it. Imagine the desolation of such a world, a cold, dark and silent sphere hurtling through the void. Picture this, a planet, perhaps similar in size and composition to Earth or Mars, but cast adrift into the interstellar gulf. It's a world without a sun, without the familiar cycle of day and night, without the energy source that drives weather patterns and sustains ecosystems. Imagine these planets just drifting through the galaxy, propelled by the gravitational forces of other celestial bodies or the momentum of their initial ejection. They are cosmic nomads, wandering aimlessly through the vast expanse of space, their destinies uncertain. These rogue planets travel without orbiting any star, making them incredibly difficult to detect. Astronomers rely on gravitational microlensing and other indirect methods to identify these elusive wanderers. Their isolation makes them unique objects of study, offering insights into the processes of planetary formation and the distribution of matter in the galaxy. How did they get there? What forces conspired to cast these planets adrift into the interstellar void? The answer lies in the chaotic dynamics of star systems and the gravitational interactions between planets. Some were kicked out of their home systems, victims of gravitational tug-of-war between sibling planets or the disruptive influence of passing stars. These planetary ejections are violent events, reshaping star systems and sending planets hurtling into the darkness. And others just formed all by themselves, coalescing from clouds of gas and dust in the absence of a central star. These free-floating planets challenge our traditional understanding of planetary formation, suggesting that planets can arise in a wider range of environments than previously thought. Can you imagine a planet without sunlight, a world perpetually shrouded in darkness where the only light comes from faint starlight or internal geothermal activity? The lack of sunlight would have a profound impact on the planet's atmosphere, surface temperature, and potential for life. Spooky, right? The thought of a planet lost in the darkness, forever separated from the life-giving energy of a star, is both fascinating and unsettling. It's a reminder of the vastness and indifference of the universe, and the precariousness of our own existence. Next up, we're turning up the heat and diving into the molten depths of lava planets. These are worlds where the surface is a sea of liquid rock, a landscape of fire and brimstone. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer intensity and geological activity of these hellish planets. Say hello to 55 Cancri E, one of the most well-known and intensely studied lava planets in our galaxy. This exoplanet orbits a sun-like star located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer. It's a world of extremes, a testament to the power of stellar radiation and tidal forces. 55 Cancri E is a world so close to its star that it completes an orbit in just 18 hours. This incredibly tight orbit subjects the planet to intense tidal forces, generating tremendous heat within its interior. The proximity to the star also means that the planet receives a staggering amount of radiation, further contributing to its scorching temperatures. As a result of these extreme conditions, its surface is a constant sea of molten rock, a churning landscape of lava flows and volcanic eruptions. Imagine a world where the ground beneath your feet is liquid fire, where the air is thick with noxious fumes, and where the temperature is hot enough to melt metal. Think of it as a giant cosmic barbecue, a planetary-sized grill where the surface is constantly being cooked by the intense heat of the nearby star. The molten rock glows with an eerie orange light, casting long shadows across the volcanic landscape. Except no one's invited, this is not a place for tourists or explorers. The conditions on 55 Cancri E are so extreme that any spacecraft or probe would be instantly vaporized. It's a hostile and unforgiving environment, a testament to the raw power of the universe. The heat is so intense, reaching temperatures of over 2,000 degrees Celsius, 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit, that the very rocks on the surface are melted into a flowing lava. This extreme heat is driven by the planet's proximity to its star, and the tidal forces that constantly flex and distort its interior. The surface actually glows with a reddish-orange hue, a visible manifestation of the extreme temperatures. This incandescent glow is a constant reminder of the planet's fiery nature, a beacon in the darkness of space. Talk about a hot mess. The surface of 55 Cancri E is a chaotic and turbulent environment with lava flows constantly shifting and reshaping the landscape. Volcanic eruptions spew molten rock and ash into the atmosphere, creating a dynamic and ever-changing panorama. Now let's dream big. Let's leave behind the fiery landscapes of lava planets and venture into the realm of the truly extraordinary. We're about to explore planets that are not just hot or cold, but potentially made of diamonds. And I mean really big. Imagine a planet composed almost entirely of crystallized carbon, a massive gemstone floating in the void. These diamond planets represent the ultimate in cosmic extravagance, a testament to the bizarre and unexpected forms that matter can take under extreme conditions. Diamond planets. The very idea sounds like something out of science fiction, but recent research suggests that these glittering worlds may actually exist. The key to their formation lies in the unique chemical composition of certain stars, and the extreme pressures found within planetary interiors. Take PSR J1719-1438b, a particularly intriguing candidate for a diamond planet. This exoplanet orbits a pulsar, a rapidly rotating neutron star that emits beams of electromagnetic radiation. The intense gravity and radiation from the pulsar have stripped away much of the planet's atmosphere, leaving behind a dense core composed primarily of carbon. Scientists believe that this core is likely made of pure carbon, compressed to an extreme density by the immense gravitational forces. Under these conditions, the carbon atoms would bond together in a crystalline structure, forming a giant diamond. The immense pressure, far greater than anything found on Earth, crushes the carbon atoms into a tightly packed lattice, transforming the entire planet into a diamond. It's a process similar to how diamonds are formed in the Earth's mantle, but on a vastly larger scale. It's not sparkly like the ones on engagement rings, mind you. This wouldn't be a perfectly cut and polished gem. Instead, imagine a rough, uncut diamond, a massive crystalline sphere with imperfections and irregularities. But hey, a diamond planet is still a diamond planet, right? Even if it's not the kind of diamond you can wear on your finger, the sheer scale and extravagance of a planet made of diamond is mind-boggling. It's a testament to the incredible diversity and potential of the universe. What would you do if you found one of these? Would you try to mine it? Could you even imagine the logistics of extracting diamonds from a planet-sized gemstone? The ethical and practical considerations are staggering. Finally, let's leave behind the solid surfaces of lava and diamond planets and meet the extreme gas giants, the behemoths of the exoplanet world. These are planets that dwarf even Jupiter in size and mass, with atmospheres that are both beautiful and terrifying. Think Jupiter, but on steroids. These super-Jupiters possess immense gravitational fields, capable of influencing the orbits of other planets in their systems. Their atmospheres are swirling vortexes of gas and clouds, driven by powerful winds and extreme temperature gradients. There's HD 189733b, a hot Jupiter exoplanet with a striking blue hue. This planet is tidally locked to its star, meaning that one side always faces the star while the other side remains in perpetual darkness. But don't let its beautiful color fool you, because on HD 189733b it might rain glass sideways. The planet's atmosphere contains silicate particles which are whipped around by fierce winds at speeds of up to 8,700 kilometers per hour, 5,400 miles per hour. These particles collide and shatter, creating a constant shower of glass shards that are propelled horizontally across the planet's surface. Or WASP-12b, another extreme gas giant that is pushing the boundaries of planetary existence. This planet is located incredibly close to its star, so close that it's being torn apart by the star's gravity. WASP-12b orbits so close to its star that it completes an orbit in just over one Earth day. This proximity subjects the planet to intense tidal forces, stretching and distorting its shape. The star's gravity is literally pulling the planet apart, stripping away its atmosphere and causing it to practically melt. WASP-12b is a planet on the brink of destruction, a dramatic example of the forces that can shape and destroy planetary systems. Imagine weather so wild, so extreme, that it defies all earthly comparisons. These gas giants are home to storms that rage for centuries, winds that reach supersonic speeds, and lightning strikes that are thousands of times more powerful than anything we experience on Earth. Even Jupiter would be jealous. The Great Red Spot, Jupiter's iconic storm, is a mere pittance compared to the atmospheric phenomena that rage on these extreme gas giants. They are worlds of unimaginable power and chaos. The universe is full of wonders and mysteries, and the strange planets we've explored today are just a small glimpse into the incredible diversity of the cosmos. From rogue planets wandering in darkness to lava planets engulfed in fire and diamond planets sparkling in the void, the universe is a place of endless surprises. If you thought Earth was unique, think again. Our planet is just one of countless worlds in the universe, and many of them are far stranger and more extreme than anything we can imagine. The search for exoplanets is revealing a universe teeming with diversity, challenging our assumptions about what's possible and expanding our understanding of the cosmos. Like, share and subscribe for more mind-blowing space facts. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. There's always something new to discover, something amazing to learn. Keep looking up. The universe is waiting to be explored, and who knows what amazing discoveries await us in the future. The next time you gaze at the night sky, remember the rogue planets, the lava worlds, and the diamond planets, and let your imagination soar.